Hey guys, Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and I'm here to give you a little update on what's been going on with my Iron Harvest little side work. So the first of my announcements is that I've actually been in contact with Jakub Rozalski, the original artist of the Iron Harvest concept art, and he's actually a brilliant artist. He works on a lot of sort of like a European cold kind of feel, that kind of stuff. So he's done like Witcher artwork, and he's done the Iron Harvest artwork and all that kind of stuff. He's done a lot of kind of like a mix mash of like fantasy medieval stuff. He's actually started a YouTube channel here on YouTube, so go check him out if you want to check out his speed paints. Otherwise, definitely Google him and check out his artwork, because it's effing awesome. It's really awesome stuff, and yeah, I fell in love with it ages ago. I used to do a little bit of game design, and he was one of my main like artists that I always used to focus on, and just to be able to talk to him, and it's been a real honor, and I've actually had the honor of making one of his own models for him. I mean, how cool is that? So he contacted me, and he asked me if he could get some of these models for himself. So I've printed up this one right here. This was my test one, and initially I thought that he meant paint it up for him and everything, but he actually wants to paint them up himself, which is freaking awesome. I can't wait to see him see that happen. Yeah, so yeah, I've sent some of these guys to Poland. How cool is that? That's pretty damn awesome. And thanks so much for contacting me, Jakub. And I hope you enjoy the models, and I hope to hear from you soon. And hopefully I can make you some more stuff in the future. So secondly, I'd also like to address the King Art Games, which are the guys who are working on Iron Harvest itself. I contacted them as well, just to show them some of the artwork that I've done, and they liked it so much they gave me a free copy of the game. So I've been playing that quite a bit, and in doing so, I actually discovered one thing. This guy right here, I printed him up a while ago, and he looked really cool, but I noticed in the game he looked nothing like this. So if you look, here is the picture that I based this off, and it doesn't really work out. Like it seems correct, but it's just not in the game. It's completely different. So I remodeled him, and you can see here I've changed the pose, and I increased the scale of this, and I also added a lot more detail in the back, and I also got the roof it's way better. So yeah, there's also, like, he actually had his guns. The guns actually kind of like turn inwards, so there's just a lot of little details that I missed, and that's purely because I didn't have the game. But now that I do have the game, I'm going to be making a lot more models accurately. And yeah, you can expect a lot more of these guys, and hopefully we can get a tabletop game going. And I'm really excited to make some more models and hopefully share them around. And I'm loving seeing other people make their own and paint them up. I am sorry about this one not being a completely accurate portrayal, but this one will now be available on Thingiverse, as well as the other one, if you want to print that one up too. But this is as close as I could get it. So go check it out, and I hope you have some happy printing with this. So yeah, thank you so much, King Art Games, for the free copy of the game. I hope I can keep in contact with you. I'm hoping to actually send you guys a fully painted up one with a base, and I want to encase it and everything, and I'll send that over as soon as I can, really. But yeah, I also want to enter this guy right here. I want to enter into a bit of an art competition, or a model making competition here in Melbourne. I've never done that before, so it's a real first. I have been in contact with them. They do allow 3D printed models. Because I made this one myself, I'm not sure how I'm going to go about that, but yeah, I'm really excited to do that. So when the date comes closer, I'll definitely be posting some stuff up here on that, and I'd love to film it as well. So it's just a model making competition over in Melbourne, and it's the only one I could really find that seemed to have an audience. So yeah, I'm excited to send one of these guys over to you guys in Germany, and I hope you are looking forward to maybe getting one of these guys. Thanks again, Jakub, for being so awesome and staying in contact. And like I said, hopefully I can work with you again and maybe print you up something else. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, if you want to support me a little bit more, head over to Patreon and pledge a couple dollars per video. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like and leave a comment. And maybe share it with a friend who might be interested. Maybe they've printed up this version and they don't even realize there's a new version for them. So go check it out. Now, I really want to turn this into a almost like a full-time job. I'd really love to make these models just full-time. I'm not currently making any money at all pretty much from this stuff, but I would love to. I would really love to be able to just pretty much just like, you know, keep the heating going and be able to feed myself, and I would work on this full-time. That would be fantastic. But that all comes down to you guys. If you enjoy my models enough, you know, maybe leave a little. There's a little donation tab in the in Thingiverse, and you know there's Patreon as well. So, you know, the more support, the better, and the more I can work on stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys around. See ya.